In this video, I'm going to show you how to change from portrait to landscape in Canva. First, open your project. Then go to the top toolbar and click this resize option. From here, you'll see some suggested options that you can choose from, such as landscape video, presentation, and Twitter post. Since this is a video, you can also go to the video category and choose the size that you want from these options. Alternatively, you can go to the custom size, then type in the size that you want into these fields. Another thing that you can do is click any of these fields, then choose the size that you want from these options. As you can see, there are square, portrait, and landscape. If you want the same dimensions but in landscape, you can pick this third one. After that, you just have to choose between copy and resize this design. If you choose copy and resize, Canva will save a new version of your project on your homepage. So for this tutorial, let's just choose resize this design. And it will change right away. Lastly, you just have to adjust the size and positions of all of the elements. Okay, now let's click this play button to see the final result. So that's how to change from portrait to landscape in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.